What is up, YouTube? Well, another back here again. Look at these Minibike grips, guys. We got the 125 pit bike. We got the Coleman BT 200X, guys. Putting down some work. Got the billet flywheel, 22-pound valve spring, 22mm Mikuni slide carburetor, governor delete, and this thing is ripping. Haven't done a top speed run yet, coming very soon. We burned up another belt today before we could do it. Man, guys, this thing is moving. I'm gonna line them up one more time for you guys. Watch this thing in action. We were neck and neck the whole way, guys. I tell you what. This video is part 3 of the Sweet Pee build, guys. It is almost done. I'm so excited to be able to finish this thing, man. It is just coming along great. I made a custom exhaust for it today. Welded that all up. Got all the front end pieces painted now. The handlebars, the fender, the front skirt. Did a couple more small things. Got the throttle hooked up. Got the brakes hooked up. Alright, guys, I'm going to get ready for this video. Here we go. Here it is, guys. Part 3 of the Sweet Pee build, aka Snot Rocket, as my boy Nate would say if you go karts or gone fishing. Man, look at this thing, guys. What a sweet build. We got a 16-inch tall back rear tire, 16 by 8 by 7s. That's a 110 Chinese rear end back there. It's a doodle bug middle mini bike. All the green you see is a doodle bug, and then it's a 90cc Coolster pit bike front end. See, I'm just showing you how to drill those hubs out for that different 3-bolt pattern there. We got a 30 series torque converter on there. We got the stage 1 kit in it. Got that custom sweet looking exhaust coming up through the frame, guys. Check that out. That is the main part of this whole video, is me doing that exhaust. I had to cut up a bunch of pieces of exhaust, a bunch of headers to figure out what I wanted. And this is what I came up with, man. I'm just in love with it. I think it looks sick. I can't wait to see what it's going to sound like. Should make some racket, I tell you what. Guys, man, definitely hit that like button for me, guys. We appreciate it, man. We're just up with that 1K, working on this watch time now. You guys rock, man. Can't thank you guys enough, all our supporters and fans. This has been so much fun growing on YouTube, man. I consider all you guys family now. So rock on, fellas, rock on. You know, we just like to build crazy things, man, and have a good time. It's the all-American way, I think. As you can see, I got my new little welding magnets there holding up that pipe for me, so I can put a couple spot welds on it. And they work great, man. I think I bought those at Tractor Supply for like 10 bucks, man. And they work so amazing. Like, I'm so glad I got those. They helped me out a big time, tremendously. I'm still looking for a gas tank for it. I'm gonna do some kind of little motorcycle gas tank, and I actually have the seat. I brought the seat home with me, because I'm going to do something cool with it. I'm not going to tell you guys yet, but I'll show you when I'm done. It's going to be pretty sweet, I think. Never done it before, so we'll see how it comes out. You see, guys, I got the old stick welded. All right, and we're back, guys. Sorry about that. I had a phone call interrupting my editing here. But we're back. You see I got the welder out. I'm running a 6013 3mm rod. Seems to burn pretty good on this thinner stuff. Got to turn my welder way down, but works pretty good, man. Hopefully I can get a video soon of that fire truck right there that's sitting behind that big red thing. Those super single tires on. My dad's building that. That is like a 1957 Chevy C60 or something, I believe. Got old Detroit in it or something. It's gonna be a really cool truck, man. He's got the new style fire truck bed that's going on it. like a newer, big, huge big, huge bed. It's massive. You see, he cut the frame and slammed it way down. Truck's gonna be sick, man. You see it, guys. Sweet Pea will be getting rode this weekend. I am sure of it by now. I'm right there at the home stretch. I'm just taking my time with this build, guys. I want everything to be right. You know, I just want to throw this one together. I wanted this one to work and to last a long time. You know, it's been a great build. I even had my dad help me out a lot on this one. He helped me match up the front end and get it all welded up. He helped me figure out the rear section for the chain and stuff like that. So big shout out to my pops helping with this one, man. I think my time putting into it showing it's paying off now at the end, you know. You can really see this build is coming along, man. Looking super sweet. Excited to get it done. Can't wait to take her for an old rip around the track. Line her up next to that Coleman. See what she's got. Yeah, I know I won't have nothing for that Coleman, but we're going to try, though. We're going to try. You hear me, Jit? You ain't ready, bro. You ain't ready. Who knows, guys? It may fly. Who knows? We don't know yet. You know, it's a new build, so we'll have to see what it does. You know? Only way to find out is take her for an old test rip, you know? Sorry, guys. I didn't realize I had my back to it the whole time. I know you guys don't want to stare at my back. I'm just trying to get those magnets to stick and hold it where I want it, you know? I want it flush. Definitely got to make sure it's right before you stick that weld on it, you know? Like you're going to be doing a whole bunch of grinding. What I did was I put a couple tacks all around it, and then I pulled it off and welded it all the way around on the ground. Made a lot. I think it came out pretty good, man. I like how it goes through the frame like that. I thought that was pretty sick. I just took an old Honda header we had, and then an old Go Power Sports muffler, and combined the two, and this is what you get. Wrap through the frame header, man. Yeah, buddy. As soon as I get Sweet Pea finished up, I'll start working back on the giveaway drift cart. I did get the sprocket in for it. Thinking about going to a bigger, taller tire maybe instead of those little razor tires. I'm not sure yet, but I'll get started back on it. And I'm doing another build too, a reverse trike build. We're gonna have one wheel in the back, two wheels in the front. Gonna use a little Chinese four-wheeler and a Predator engine, and actually the pit bike, that front end I'm using. I have the rear section, the swing arm and everything to go on that. So we'll see how that looks. So everything comes together, I'm gonna stretch it out and all that. Should be pretty sweet. I got an idea in my head of what I want, but we'll see. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Have a good one. Alright, sorry guys, I thought we were done. I forgot I had these little clips too of me doing the grinding on the header, cleaning it up, all that good stuff, all that jazz. I figured we'd add this in too, man, let you guys see. I just really just cleaned the slag off and just cleaned all the rust off the header. And then I took some sandpaper and did it too. If you guys like those safety glasses though, man, check them out. I'll tell you what, bud, that's how you get her done. Got the old safety glasses on. Safety first, guys, safety first. Safety third, that is. Check it out, guys, we got some grinding action. You see it. You boys doing work on Sweet Pea. I'm ready to ride this thing. Cigarette hanging out the mouth too, you know. No, that's not cool. I don't promote smoking, guys. Smoking sucks. I wish I'd quit. Save myself so much money. I'm really liking the way this exhaust came out today, guys. It came out pretty sweet, man. I like it. I like how it wraps through the frame like that and all. Hope you guys like it too, man. Can't wait to show you guys how it rips. I was talking to my little brother today. I was like, you think it'll spin the tires? I was like, I don't think it's going to spin both those tires. So we'll see. They are a little bit taller, you know, beefier for tires. So we'll see how it does, man. I don't forgot which sprocket I'm running on this thing now. I think I'm running a pretty big sprocket. I think it's like a 48 or a 52, so we'll see. And I got the 30 series torque converter, so should be good. We'll see what happens. My brother's little Coleman Minibike, man, he needs to go ahead and go to a 40 series torque converter on that thing. The way it's eating up belts. I think we ate 2 belts today. That thing is ripping, boy. He about ate it. That thing went from about 30 mile an hour to 0 real quick. You know, those belts, guys, they can lock that tire completely up. You know, there ain't nothing you can do about it. Just hold on and keep her straight, man. So I wish I'd have got that on camera. He definitely went for a ride. You can see the slide mark all the way down the whole dirt road where he slid. All right, guys, TBC out. See you on the next one. Love you guys. Rock out.